What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to edit the home screen or pages on Salesforce. So to do so, here I'm on my Salesforce homepage. You want to go to settings, click on it, and then open advanced setup, and then you want to search for lightning, and this is the one we want, the lightning app builder. And here are the lightning pages. So I can view here the labels, so case record page, the contact record page, the inbox default, and so much more. So I can edit any page right here, or clone it, or to duplicate it, or delete it. So if I click on edit for the account record page, for example, okay, let's close this pop-up, and here I can edit this page right here. So I can edit all the sections of the page. I can add here any actions that I want, and if I go back to the Lightning App Builder interface, I can even add new page. So if I click here on new, I can create a new page from scratch here. So let's create a home page, a new home page. Next, I can label it, let's say home. Okay, next. And now I can select a layout, so header and 3 regions, home template 1 region. Okay, let's say header and 3 regions, done. And now I can edit the home screen the way I want.